Hello, namaskar. So, students, আজি আমি Ahsec 2019 question paper খন discuss কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছো. So, this is the Ahsec 2019 question paper. So, the first question is, what did Meissner actually observe, which is known as the Meissner effect? So, Meissner observed the superconductivity in certain material. A very interesting fact regarding electromagnetic waves can be seen with the help of portable AM radio. So what is it? So it is polarization. Next, we have the question, mention one similarity between Coulomb's force and gravitational force acting between two stationary charges. So both of them is proportional inversely to the square of distance of separation. Next, we have the question, define the mutual inductance of 1 Henry. So the mutual inductance of two coils is said to be 1 Henry if the rate of change of current of 1 ampere per second in one coil induces an EMF of 1 volt in the neighboring coil. Next, we have the question, if the radius of the first orbit of hydrogen atom is 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter, what is the radius of the third orbit? So we have the radius of the nth orbit, that is r, is directly proportional to n square. So for finding out the radius of the third orbit, we are taking it to be r2. So r2 divided by r1, we will get 3 square divided by 1 square, because it is radius of the third orbit, as it is r is proportional to n square, so we have n to be equal to 3. So using this, we get r2 by r1 is equal to 9 by 1, or we get r2 is equal to 9 r1. So now, placing the value of r, that is 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11, we get the value of r2 to be this. Next, we have the question, if the work function of two metals X and Y are 4.17 electron volt and 8.24 into 10 to the power minus 19 respectively, then for which metal lesser amount of energy will be required to emit an electron? So the work function of the metal X is given to be 4.17 electron volt. As it is in electron volt, we know that the charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So multiplying it with 4.17, we get this value to be 6.672 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So similarly, we can find out the work function of Y, that is already found out, which is 8.24 into 10 to the power minus 19. So as you can see, the work function of X is smaller than that of the work function of Y. So we can see lesser amount of energy will be required in the metal X so that we can emit an electron.